Most people spend their entire lives working for a paycheck. Self-made millionaires engineer their money to work for them, and contrary to popular belief, they usually don't inherit it. According to researcher Tom Corley, 80% of millionaires come from middle-class or lower-income backgrounds. Today, we are going to document exactly how they do it. We are building a one-page wealth action plan. Before we start, you need 3 things: a pen, a blank piece of paper, and your mobile banking app. By the end of this video, you will have moved past vague financial wishes and outlined the exact, repeatable systems that manufacture wealth over time. Step 1. Divide your paper in half. At the top, write down a highly specific financial target and a timeline. I want to be rich is a wish. I want $3 million in investment accounts by age 55 is a measurable goal. To hit that goal, you need a buffer. This sliding scale demonstrates a concept identified by researcher Thomas Stanley. It shows your income at the top and your lifestyle limit below. The space between is your wealth creation zone. Calculate your gap now. Subtract your lifestyle expenses from your monthly income and circle the remaining number. That is your operational capital. The wealthiest investors capture this capital immediately. Warren Buffett famously advises against saving what is left after spending, and instead spending what is left after saving. Pick up your phone and open your banking app. We're going to lock in that capital right now. Set up an automatic transfer from your primary checking account to a separate investment account. Schedule it to execute exactly on your payday. Start with 10% of your income and set it to recur monthly. Treating savings as a non-negotiable, invisible bill ensures the money is secured before lifestyle inflation has a chance to consume it. This automation is your primary wealth engine. Step 2. Draw 2 columns on your paper. Label the left side, Kill Bad Debt, and the right side, Consistent Investing. Author Robert Kiyosaki divides personal finance into liabilities that drain your pockets and assets that fill them. Consumer credit cards and auto loans are liabilities. You need an aggressive plan to eliminate them. On the investing side, most people fail because they wait. They wait for a market dip or for a moment when they understand the stock market perfectly. A 20-year study from Charles Schwab proved that waiting costs you money. The investor who contributed consistently on the first of every month, regardless of market conditions, easily outperformed the investor trying to time the market. Write down the exact dollar amount you are committing to auto-invest on the first of next month. If you are just starting, write down the $50. This line chart shows why starting immediately matters. A $500 monthly contribution at a 10% average annual return over 35 years grows to roughly $1.6 million. That same amount in a standard savings account stays almost flat by comparison. Albert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. Decades in the market mathematically override the need for perfect timing or massive amounts of starting capital. Step 3. IRS data shows that the average millionaire relies on 7 separate streams of income. One paycheck is a single point of failure. This flowchart maps out how you build those streams. Write down Stream 1, day job, as your anchor. Then identify one logical target for a second stream, like a dividend portfolio, side business, or rental property. Do not attempt to build 5 streams at once. Secure your first stream and then dedicate your focus entirely to establishing the second. Step 4. Move to the bottom of your page and write Defense Matrix. List 3 immediate defensive actions to protect your assets. First, identify your biggest insurance gap, whether that is life, health, or disability coverage. Second, pick a specific financial topic, like tax-deferred accounts, to study for 30 minutes a day. Third, name one professional, an accountant or an attorney, to add to your network. Acquiring capital is useless if a single lawsuit or medical emergency can erase decades of compounded effort. Defensive systems keep your wealth intact. Look at the piece of paper in front of you. You now have a defined monetary target, a calculated gap, an action plan for debt and investments, a map for multiple income streams, and a defense matrix. These systems do not generate overnight wealth. They guarantee slow, steady, calculated growth. Your challenge now is to maintain these exact habits when life gets uncomfortable and when the temptation to upgrade your lifestyle hits. Tell me in the comments below, what percentage did you set for your automatic savings transfer? Or what is your plan for Stream 2? Writing down a plan is the starting point. Executing it quietly and consistently over the next decade is how you actually manufacture wealth.